All right, here's what we're working with today. I'm gonna clean up that mess that I made last weekend. I planned on doing it the next day, but other things came in. So got all these branches up here. We're gonna load them in the back of the truck and take them to the front like we did before. And then probably take down a couple additional smaller trees. And we'll probably get out the excavator and start pulling the stumps. So I'll set you up so you can watch, and we'll kind of go from there.